Tired of managing state in your React applications? Wouldn't it be great to simplify Redux development and streamline state management? Meet Redux Toolkit, a powerful toolkit designed to enhance your Redux experience. With features like Configure Store, Create Slice, and Create Async Thunk, Redux Toolkit makes state management straightforward. No matter the complexity of your application, it has you covered. How it works. It uses Immer internally, allowing developers to write mutable logic safely, while maintaining immutable state updates. Plus, it enhances developer productivity and keeps your application scalable. It improves code readability, enhances maintainability of the codebase, increases development speed, especially beneficial for large-scale React applications with multiple components needing shared data. Sounds great? With Redux Toolkit,